How to do a swipe photo on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application and make sure that you have updated your application because this is a new feature. Now let's just skip at here. Now once you're already on here in your application, all you have to do is on the bottom part, you'll see five different options there. But click on the center option here. Click on this, and then to be able to do a swipe photo on TikTok, make sure that you have set tap on the upload here. Choose the photos that you want to add to be swiped on. So let's say these ones. And then on the bottom part, you'll see auto cut, and then next. Tap on the next one here and just wait for it to load. And as you can see here, you will see the photos here, and you can swipe on here and you will see an add icon here if you want to add a photo. But for now, I just want to add these three photos here, and tap on next on the bottom part again, and then tap on post and just wait for it to load. Now here, if you click on this, you will see three dots here where you can now slide it through manually. And basically, that is how you create or how to do a swipe photo on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.